Let's write a story in English. The title of the story is Unity is Strength. Once a flock of parrots got caught in the trap laid by the bird catcher. The birds were in panic. They tried to free themselves but couldn't do so. One of the birds then calmed herself and turned towards her friends, saying, "Friends, let's not panic." On the count of three, we will fly together and take this net with us. That is how we will escape this trap. So the wise parrot did a count to three. And on that, all the parrots flapped their wings together and flew. Seeing their wisdom and unity, the birdcatcher was in deep shock. The moral of the story is that if you are working in unity, you can do anything.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.